Have you ever stopped to think about how you use everyday items? From the way you brush your teeth to the way you clean your floors, it's easy to get into a routine without realizing you're doing it all wrong. In this video, we'll count down the top 10 everyday things you're using wrong. Stay tuned until the end to find out the number one item on our list that you're probably using incorrectly. When it comes to using a toothbrush, most of us think we're doing it right. But the truth is, many of us are using our toothbrushes incorrectly. We're either brushing too hard or not brushing for long enough. The American Dental Association recommends brushing your teeth for at least 2 minutes, twice a day. But how many of us actually follow this advice? Probably not as many as we think. To use a toothbrush correctly, you should brush in small circular motions, making sure to get all surfaces of your teeth. You should also replace your toothbrush every 3 to 4 months or sooner if the bristles become frayed. Vacuum cleaners are a staple in many households, but are we using them correctly? The answer is probably not. Many of us are guilty of pushing our vacuum cleaners too hard, which can damage the machine and reduce its lifespan. We're also not emptying the dust bag often enough, which can cause the vacuum to lose suction. To use a vacuum cleaner correctly, you should start by clearing the floor of any clutter or debris. Then, you should vacuum in slow, overlapping passes, making sure to get into all the corners and crevices. You should also empty the dust bag regularly to keep your vacuum running efficiently. Kitchen knives are an essential tool for any home cook, but are we using them correctly? Many of us are guilty of using our kitchen knives incorrectly, which can lead to accidents and injuries. To use a kitchen knife correctly, you should always cut away from your body and keep your fingers curled under. You should also use the right knife for the job, whether it's a chef's knife, a paring knife, or a serrated knife. You should also keep your knives sharp, as a dull knife is more likely to slip and cause an accident. Laundry detergent is a staple in many households, but are we using it correctly? The answer is probably not. Many of us are guilty of using too much laundry detergent, which can leave residue on our clothes and damage our washing machines. To use laundry detergent correctly, you should always follow the instructions on the label. You should also use the right amount of detergent for the size of the load, and avoid using too much detergent for smaller loads. You should also consider using an eco-friendly detergent that is gentle on clothes and the environment. Hair dryers are a common tool for many of us, but are we using them correctly? The answer is probably not. Many of us are guilty of using our hair dryers on high heat, which can damage our hair and cause it to become brittle. To use a hair dryer correctly, you should always use a low or medium heat setting and avoid holding the dryer too close to your hair. You should also use a heat protectant spray to help prevent damage and keep your hair healthy. Cleaning products are a staple in many households, but are we using them correctly? The answer is probably not. Many of us are guilty of using too much of a cleaning product, which can leave residue and damage surfaces. To use cleaning products correctly, you should always follow the instructions on the label. You should also use the right cleaning product for the job, whether it's a glass cleaner, a disinfectant, or an all-purpose cleaner. You should also consider using eco-friendly cleaning products that are gentle on surfaces and the environment. Pillows are an essential part of a good night's sleep, but are we using them correctly? The answer is probably not. Many of us are guilty of using pillows that are too flat or too thick, which can cause neck and back pain. To use a pillow correctly, you should choose a pillow that is the right size and firmness for your needs. You should also replace your pillow every 1 to 2 years, or sooner if it becomes flat or lumpy. You should also consider using a pillow with a removable cover that can be washed regularly. Shower curtains are a common feature in many bathrooms, but are we using them correctly? The answer is probably not. Many of us are guilty of not cleaning our shower curtains regularly, which can lead to the growth of mold and mildew. To use a shower curtain correctly, you should clean it regularly with a mild detergent and warm water. You should also consider using a shower curtain with a waterproof lining to help prevent water from seeping behind the curtain. Mops are a common tool for cleaning floors, but are we using them correctly? The answer is probably not. Many of us are guilty of using a mop with dirty water, which can spread dirt and grime around the floor. To use a mop correctly, you should always use clean water and a mild detergent. You should also wring out the mop thoroughly to avoid leaving excess water on the floor. You should also consider using a microfiber mop that can pick up dirt and dust easily. The stove is a common appliance in many kitchens, but are we using it correctly? The answer is probably not. Many of us are guilty of not preheating the stove properly, which can affect the cooking time and quality of our food. To use a stove correctly, you should always preheat it to the right temperature before cooking. You should also use the right size pot or pan for the job and avoid overcrowding the cooktop. You should also consider using a stove with a digital display that can help you monitor the temperature and cooking time. Thanks for watching our video on the top 10 everyday things you're using wrong. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and we'll see you in the next video. Your support helps us create more videos, so thanks again for watching.